A good environment versus good jobs. The two sides taking the stand today in their position of the Environmental Board hearing over the future of the Erie Coke plant. The company's CEO even testifying today. Tara Braddock's been covering the story. She joins us now with that. Tara.
Jill, 3 people testified on behalf of Erie Coke, all of them stressing that if the plant closed, it will have a detrimental impact on employees and the economy.
For a second day in a row, Erie Coke officials are pleading their case as to why their plant should continue to operate in legal proceedings aimed at shutting them down. The first person to take the stand on Thursday, Erie Coke CEO Paul Safran. He stressed that if the Coke plant was to shut down, more than 130 employees would be out of jobs. Safran added of the Erie Coke plant would also shake up the nation's Coke business since there are only 3 Coke plants operating in the U.S. The next to take the stand was an executive from Alabama-based McWane Cast Iron Pipe Company. He shared that if Erie Coke closes, he wouldn't be able to get the same quality Coke from anywhere else. 2 Erie Coke employees also testified. One of them is superintendent and the other a battery supervisor at the plant. Both said employees and their families depend on their Erie Coke jobs and that most of the DEP violations were because of human error. The Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection questioned Erie Coke CEO and its employees about their work practices and how they will fix violations in the future. The judge presiding over this case is expected to make a decision on Monday.
And over the past 2 days, Erie Coke has presented 4 witnesses. Meanwhile, the DEP has not brought up any, but hearing will continue at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Jill.
Okay, Tara Braddock, thank you.